Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's TECHTIP. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. Ever wonder how to split your screen so you could view two tabs simultaneously? I'm going to show you how. Have your two tabs open in Chrome, and you simply click on one tab, click and drag it over to the lower left-hand side. As soon as your screen dims, let go, and then you drag the other tab over, click and drag to the lower right-hand side, and let go. So this is great if you're working on a book report or doing a research paper. You could have one tab open with all your information and your Google Doc open on the other to type everything in. Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with some more add-ons for you. Another one of my favorites is called Fun Text. So you're just going to go to add-ons, get add-ons, and then search for Fun Text. So this changes your text, the font, the colors, and so on. So you highlight the text that you want to change up, and then you're going to go to add-ons, Fun Text, and I'm going to go to font size. And right here I could do growing. So it changes it so it goes from small to large. Okay, highlight here. And font size, maybe I want to do wobbly. So it's all over the place. And then let's say I want to do different colors. I want to create a pattern. So I want to do black and red, our bulldog colors. So I'm just going to highlight the first two. And then I am going to go to add-ons, fun text, text color, and I'm going to go repeating colors. And it changes every other one, black and red. Right here, add-on, fun text. Maybe I want randomly colored. Okay, so it's a fun way to add a little flair to your documents.
Hey Bulldogs, it's Avery Smith. I'm Mrs. Smith's daughter. I'm in 3rd grade and I have a tech tip for you. Have you ever used or heard of Flipgrid? Don't worry, if you never used it before, I got you covered. So first you type in the Google search bar, Flipgrid. Then you hit on Flipgrid Empower Every Voice. Then when you get to the home screen, hit Educator Sign Up. If you are new to Flipgrid, it will ask you to sign up with Google account or Microsoft. I use Google because Google rocks. So then you click on your Google account and then it will come to Welcome Flipgrid and it says create a topic. Start the discussion by creating a topic for your students, community, or families. Then it says share the join code. Participants can join the discussion and record videos using the join code. So I'm going to hit create a topic. And then I'm going to click get started. And then you can add a title. Then you add a question. Then you can do the recording time. It goes up to 15 seconds to 10 minutes. I'm going to stay on 1 minute 30 seconds. And then it has closed captions right here. And then you can choose your media. I'm going to choose record a video. And then here I am. And then you can record your video, you take a picture, and then you send it out, and then you type in who you want to be in with you. And that's how you use Flipgrid. Bye!
This is breaking news coming in from the Smith headquarters. A new Tech Tip Tuesday is out.